Hi, what's your name?
My name is Purushottam Pandit.
Purushottam. Purushottam.
Purushottam Pandit.
Okay. How old are you, Purushottam?
42 years.
42. Married?
Married.
Okay. Do you work any other country before? You work other country? Which country you work?
Country.
Which country?
Saudi Arabia.
Okay. In Saudi Arabia, what work you do?
Saudi Arabia, okay, cow farm and chicken and poultry farm.
Okay. You work there
3 years.
3 years?
हजुर,
Are you sure you work there? काम गरेको हो?
हो.
Okay. In the poultry farm, what you have to do? के काम गर्नु पर्थ्यो?
पोल्ट्री फार्म पोल्ट्री फार्ममा भने त्यो हाम्रो चाहिँ त्यो अन्डाहरू उगार्ने त्यस्तै.
Okay, you clean the eggs, take the egg, put it in the rack, something like that. Okay, this is also in a chicken farm, but you have to cut the chicken. Okay,
No.
here in Romania. Now
In
you
Romania,
going
yes.
there. You have to do. Okay, this is a cold place. You can work.
Yes.
You can work. Cold, very cold. Are you okay? No problem.
No problem.
Okay, and what is your school education?
Under SLC.
Under SLC. Okay, you are medically fit.
Fit.
No any medical problem.
No any.
Okay, if you if the Romanian colleague in Romania company, okay, they teach you Romanian language. You like to learn Romanian language? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, and how many years you want to work in Romania?
5 years. 5 old. 5 years.
5 years, 6 years, no problem.
No problem. 5 years, 6 years, 7
Okay,
years.
how many children you have?
3 children.
3 children. So how many total years you work Saudi Arab?
3.
3 years. And after Saudi Arab, you go to any other country? Okay, only in Saudi Arab. Okay, thank you. Password यहीं से